Top legal websites to get jobs abroad with visa sponsorship and relocation support. If you're dreaming of working in Europe or another country legally with visa sponsorship, you're not alone. Many professionals globally are looking for safe and trusted platforms that connect them with real employers, offering not just jobs, but help with visas, relocation, housing, and legal requirements. Below is a breakdown of 5 powerful websites you can use today to start your international career journey. 9. Relocate.me, the home of tech relocation jobs website. Relocate.me. Focus. Tech jobs with relocation support. Target countries: Germany, Netherlands, Sweden, Canada, UK, and more. How it works. Relocate. Me is a job platform designed specifically for tech professionals, developers, software engineers, data scientists who want to move abroad. Every job posted on the site includes relocation benefits like flight tickets, visa sponsorship, and even help finding accommodation. How to get a job? Visit relocate.me. Search by role or destination, e.g., backend developer in Germany. Apply directly through the job post. The company will contact you for an interview if you're shortlisted. Visa relocation support, visa processing and documentation assistance, flight and airport pickup, temporary housing or rental help tips. Make sure your resume and LinkedIn are up to date. Have a portfolio, especially for developers and designers. Apply only to jobs labeled with relocation offered to. EURES, your gateway to working in Europe. Website eures.europa.eu. Focus. All professions in the EU target countries. All EU EA countries plus Switzerland. How it works. EURES, European Employment Services, is an official European Union platform that connects job seekers with employers across the EU. It provides job listings, CV matching, and information about living and working conditions in each country. How to get a job? Create an account on eures.europa.eu. Upload your CV in the EURES format. Search for jobs using filters like country, sector, or skills. Apply directly to employers or be contacted by them. Visa relocation support. If you're from outside the EU, you can still apply, but you must check each employer's policy on visa sponsorship. Some programs within EURES, like Targeted Mobility Scheme, provide financial help for relocation interviews or training. Tips. Apply for the EURES Targeted Mobility Scheme to get funds for moving. Use the EURES Advisor Service for guidance on specific countries. Jubal, global job aggregator website, jubal.org. Focus. All job types, target countries. Global, including Europe, Asia, USA, Middle East. How it works. Jubal is a job search engine that collects job listings from many other websites. It's perfect for finding a wide range of job types: hospitality, logistics, admin, healthcare, etc. across the world. How to get a job? Go to jubal.org. Search by job title plus country, e.g., waiter jobs in Germany with visa sponsorship. Apply through the links provided. Jubal will redirect you to the original job post. Visa relocation support. Since Jubal is an aggregator, support varies. Some job ads mention visa sponsorship. You must read carefully or filter by those terms. Tips. Use keywords like visa sponsorship or relocation support. Double check the employer's website for legitimacy before applying. Europa.eu, EU jobs, internships programs website, europa.eu. Focus. EU institutions, internships, youth mobility, research target countries, European Union institutions and programs. How it works. Europa. EU is the official portal of the European Union, providing info on EU jobs, EU institutions like the Parliament, Commission, internships, volunteer opportunities, and scholarships. How to get a job? Visit the EU careers page. Browse open competitions for jobs or internships. Create an EPSO account and apply for the relevant program. Visa relocation support. Internships and jobs offered by EU institutions come with monthly allowances, travel reimbursement, and visa help. Long-term contracts usually include family relocation and tax benefits. Tips. Watch for Blue Book internships, paid internships in the EU Commission for non-EU nationals. Prepare well for the EPSO test if applying to permanent jobs. 5. Visasponsor.jobs. You'll find jobs with visa support website, visasponsor.jobs. Focus. Jobs that guarantee visa sponsorship. Target countries: UK, Canada, Germany, Australia, USA, and more. How it works. Visa sponsor. Jobs filters job listings from the web and shows only those that offer visa sponsorship. You don't waste time on ads that don't offer relocation or visa help. How to get a job? Go to visasponsor.jobs. Use the filters to search by location, industry, and type of visa. Apply directly to companies through the job listing. Visa relocation support.
Every job listed has visa sponsorship confirmed, sometimes relocation packages, housing, transport, family support. Tips: use filters like skilled worker visa or temporary work visa. Many UK jobs are available under the skilled worker sponsorship program. Apply early. Final tips for success: CV. Resume. Tailor your CV for international standards. Use clear structure and no grammar errors. Cover letter. Write a custom letter showing your interest in moving abroad and why you're a good fit. English level. Many employers require at least B/C1 level English. Improve your communication skills. Scams alert. Never pay to apply for a job. All these sites listed are legal and trustworthy. Interview. Ready. Be prepared for video interviews. Have a quiet background, dress smartly, and rehearse answers. Start your journey today. These websites can help you move legally and safely to work abroad. Whether you're a tech expert, a healthcare worker, or looking for entry-level roles, the opportunities are real. And with visa and relocation support, the dream of working in Europe or beyond is closer than ever.